I'm going to show in this video how to hide apps on Android phone. Now, if this is your first time of coming across this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your Android phone without going to Play Store or without going to Apple Store to download any external app to hide apps on your phone. Now, just make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, what we're going to do is to you are going to tap on this home button here. Just tap on this home button, then you are going to see this screen. So you just long press on this screen, then you tap on this settings icon. You can see this settings icon here, so you just tap on it. After tapping on it, you scroll down to hide apps. You can see hide apps here, so just tap on hide apps. Then you'll be prompted to set up a password, but I already have a password, so I'll just need to put in my password. So after that, you're going to see applications. So in order to hide the apps on your phone, you just tap on this plus icon. Just tap on this plus icon here, then you will see all the list of applications on your Android phone. Then you can choose the one to hide. So let me use this app for example. Let me hide Audio Mark. You can see Audio Mark here. For example, let me just hide this app. Let me press confirm. So I have hidden this app on my phone. So you can see that I've hidden this app on my phone. So for you to access this app, what you are going to do is to long press on your screen again, go to the settings icon here, scroll to hide apps, then put in your password, then you tap on the app. So the app will automatically open from your hide app menu. So if you want to unhide this app, for example, you have decided to change your mind to unhide this app, just go back there to the settings, go to hide apps, put your password again, then you long press on the app, then you press export. So automatically you have unhidden this app. So if this is your first time of coming across this video and you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Drop a comment whether it worked out for you. Thank you.